That is Chipko movement. Chipko movement was a forest conservation movement in India and it was a non-violent movement. The movement originated in 1973 at the Himalayan region of Uttarakhand. Now we are going to hear how women have protected the trees. Women of the village were very happy with the forest and trees connected with their life. Trees are part and parcel of their life. After some years, a contractor came there to cut the trees. But women protested them from cutting. But the contractor did not listen them, rather frightened them. If they were not moved, they will be punished. The contractor called two people and ordered them to cut the trees. But women pushed them. The women discussed either to die for trees or save trees. So women embraced around the trees. The contractors discussed and left them. After some time, the women opened their eyes and felt very happy. They were very happy again. The activity of women created a great world environment.